A new Galaxy awaits, says official teaser video for the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S21 series on January 14. Although the company is yet to officially reveal the date, the launch teaser video has been already listed on one of its official YouTube channels. Also, the press renders as well as specifications of these handsets are out as well. Hey, what's up everyone? Anwar here, and this is TechNewLeaks. So let's get started. In case you do not know, Samsung's flagship smartphone series Galaxy S and Galaxy Note feature two different chipsets. Countries like the US and China usually get the Qualcomm Snapdragon powered devices, whereas the rest of the world gets the in-house Exynos powered handsets. The latter variants are known for thermal issues, throttling, and above all, poor battery life compared to the former. That said, this year's Galaxy S21 series is said to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and the unannounced Exynos 2100 system on chip. The Qualcomm chip is already official and there is even a commercial smartphone Xiaomi Mi 11 featuring it, but not much more is known about the Exynos 2100, which is expected to debut on January 12. The Galaxy S21 series will be unveiled earlier than usual, and the first official teaser video is already out, titled A New Galaxy Awaits. The short 30-second clip is a stylish rehash of the design evaluation of the entire S series. The video is currently set as unlisted on the Samsung US channel. The company is also sending out animated invites for the upcoming events. It is a little abstract, but it appears to be a teaser for the upgraded telephoto camera. The Galaxy S21 will have a new 10x folded periscope and a 3x standard tele lens, according to the detailed information which leaked earlier. Details about the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus leaked as well, showing that the phones will use a 64 megapixel camera and digital zoom. Now, a tipster suggests battery life improvements on the vanilla Galaxy S21. Ahead of it, a Twitter user called Anthony says that the Exynos 2100 present in the regular Galaxy S21 will deliver about 25 to 35% better battery life than the Exynos 990 powered Galaxy S20. Similarly, according to him, the Snapdragon 888 powered Galaxy S21 will offer 15% better battery life than the Snapdragon 865 powered Snapdragon Galaxy S20. In other words, both the variants of Galaxy S21 will have a better battery life than their predecessors, despite supporting the same 4000 mAh battery as per the specs leak. Anyway, this is merely a tip from a random Twitter user who is however mostly accurate with his leaks, but still I would like you to consider this piece of information with a pinch of salt. My Smart Price reports that the unpacked event for the S21 reveal is set for January 14, 2021. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Samsung Galaxy S21 this year? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.